Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to thrive in the crypto chaos of 2025? Imagine you're staring at your digital wallet and wondering, what is this? It feels like a science fiction dream. Stick around and we'll give you an action plan to help you answer the question, are you ready for what's next?
In this video, we're diving into the 5 biggest challenges facing the 2025 crypto landscape. Whether it's navigating CBDCs, mastering DeFi, or keeping up with AI-driven innovations, we've got the roadmap you need to stay ahead.
And trust me, one of these challenges might completely blindside you. The future isn't slowing down, and the time to prepare is right now.
Don't let the next big crypto shift leave you playing catch-up. Picture this. You wake up and there it is, a notification on your phone. Your country just launched its central bank digital currency, CBDC.
What's your first move? This isn't some hypothetical scenario.
It's a peek into a future where you'll have to decide, do you trust a government-backed CBDC, or do you stick with decentralized cryptocurrencies? CBDCs promise lightning-fast transactions, reduced fraud, and smoother monetary policies. Sounds amazing, right?
But there's a catch. Financial privacy could become a relic of the past. With CBDCs, every transaction could be visible to the government, sparking concerns about surveillance and spending control.
On the other side of the coin, literally, you've got decentralized options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and privacy-focused coins like Monero. These offer financial freedom and anonymity, but come with their own risks, volatility, and regulatory uncertainty. The key to navigating this choice lies in understanding the differences.
CBDCs are digital versions of traditional fiat money, tied to central banks and the existing financial system. They're stable and widely accepted but lack privacy. Whereas decentralized cryptocurrencies, powered by blockchain, thrive outside government control, offering higher privacy and potential returns, at the cost of greater risk.
Soon you might find yourself juggling both. Imagine paying taxes or receiving benefits in CBDCs while using Bitcoin for global transactions and Monero for private purchases. It won't be a simple either-or. It'll be about finding the right balance that aligns with your values and goals. Master the basics now, and you'll be ready to adapt to this new financial reality.
Welcome to navigating the $100 billion decentralized finance, maze the wild frontier of decentralized finance, DeFi. Here, traditional banks are replaced by platforms powered by smart contracts. In 2025, this $100 billion ecosystem is rewriting the rules of money.
Platforms like Aave let you lend your crypto and earn interest that blows traditional savings accounts out of the water. But remember, high rewards else high risks. Smart contract bugs or market crashes can turn your gains into losses in a blink.
To stay ahead, AI-powered risk assessment tools are your new best friends.
These tools analyze DeFi protocols in seconds, flagging risks and tailoring investment strategies to your preferences. Think of it as your personal financial GPS, steering you away from trouble.
And here's the game changer. Layer 2 scaling solutions are making DeFi faster and cheaper, clearing the way for mass adoption.
Imagine tokenized real estate, where you own a slice of a skyscraper halfway across the world. The question is, how do you thrive in DeFi without getting burned? Education and caution are your armor.
Dive deep into how these platforms work, diversify your investments, and only risk what you can afford to lose. In DeFi, knowledge is more than power. It's survival.
Let's talk about the biggest shakeup in the crypto world. When Wall Street meets Crypto Street in 2025, giants like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, and Fidelity are neck-deep in crypto, and the impact is seismic. Here's a stat to blow your mind. Bitcoin spot ETFs raked in $108 billion in their first year.
Institutional money is flooding in, reshaping the playing field. You can now buy crypto ETFs or trade tokenized assets with the same ease as stocks.
But what does this mean for you? On one hand, you gain access to tools, insights, and products once reserved for finance pros. On the other, this influx could shift crypto towards centralization, raising questions about its decentralized roots.
This institutional adoption is a double-edged sword. It brings stability and liquidity while challenging the decentralized vision of crypto pioneers.
The future might see a hybrid system, blending Wall Street's structure with crypto's innovation. The takeaway? Adapt your strategy. Stay informed and agile as the line between traditional finance and crypto blurs. AI and blockchain are new financial instruments, which means you need new financial advisors. Welcome to a world where your crypto wallet doubles as your financial advisor. In 2025, AI-driven insights paired with blockchain's transparency are changing how we invest.
Platforms like Fetch AI are already setting the stage. Here, AI agents analyzing market trends and executing trades on your behalf, delivering faster transactions and better prices.
It's like having an ultra-smart financial assistant. But here's the rub, AI isn't perfect. The black box problem means decisions are made without clear explanations. Trusting an opaque system with your money can feel risky, like following GPS directions without knowing the route.
And there's more. How do we ensure fairness and accountability when AI makes decisions that affect livelihoods?
Ethical AI development and oversight committees are emerging to tackle these challenges. Despite the concerns, the possibilities are enormous. In 2025, we might see AI-powered DAOs disrupting traditional finance with community-driven decisions.
To thrive in this space, start now. Familiarize yourself with AI tools, learn to interpret insights, and embrace online courses in AI and blockchain.
The future of finance isn't just digital, it's intelligent. As we wrap up this look at the crypto world of 2025, one thing is clear. We're in the middle of a financial revolution. From CBDCs to AI-driven wallets, the changes are happening fast.
So, here's your action plan E. First, research reputable crypto exchanges. Second, start small. Invest in a diversified portfolio. And third, stay updated and stay adaptable.
The future of finance is here, and it's filled with opportunities for those willing to learn and evolve. So, what steps will you take to own your slice of this crypto-powered future? Let us know in the comments down below. Let's shape the financial world of 2025 together. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please hit the subscribe button to support the channel, and smash the like if you want to see more. Until the next time, stay curious.